Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to plan for the week beginning the 1st through to the 7th of July. And because for not everybody, but for some people in the planner community, it is the first day in their new planner. So because of that, I thought I would do a little planner theme. So let me show you the kit. So this is a Coffee Monsterz Co kit that we're using this week, and it's called Happy Meal. And it has all sorts of different types of emojis planning, this little no judging emoji, and then it sort of represents the happy meal with a little snail, and different types of stationery and stuff. I thought it was perfect. And then these little doodles are all washi and happy meal, scissors, stickers, etc. That's the first sheet. And then this is the second sheet. And then this is the third sheet. This kit was actually updated recently. So this is the way it looks now for the Hubman and Chubgirl cousin, but previously it looked like this. And I think she's going to be updating a few more of her older kits, because when she first released Hubman and Chubgirl cousin kits, they had like the normal size full boxes, but there was 4 of them. Whereas now it looks like this with the 6. Still has the banners. I've used the doodle banners in this one. Instead of there being 4 flags, there's 2, plus you get happy moment and then a little sort of package and envelope, like it's Happy Meal. And then you still get the 4 post-it notes and the 2 ticks, but this time instead of them only being on that side, it's on that side. And then the second sheet has changed as well, as you can see. We don't get the little emoji headers anymore, which is fine by me because I really would use these more than I would use these. But yeah, you get some more of these, which are there. And instead of getting the ombre box, you get arrows. We get extra dots now. The weekend banner isn't this old style, it's the thinner banner. And we still get the same amount of these. And I love the fact you get a little plan for next week, an update planner in it now. And then the third sheet didn't exist, so you have lots of extra labels and the Monday to Sunday and stuff like that, and lots of extra arrows that you didn't have before. But I'm going to use them all together, why not? And then I'll have plenty. And then as well as that, I have this. I got some extra doodle headers in this. You can buy a full sheet of them. And then finally I have this little vinyl, because I like to always put a vinyl in the sidebar. And this one, I can't remember if I bought it or if it was a freebie, but it's a Happy Meal, it's perfect. It has all the packages piled up together and the little snail, which represents snail meal, it's cute. And the little emoji on the top. And then I got this recently. It's the Planning Time 2.0, this one here. And it is green with copper metallics and lots of different emojis with planners and washi and Happy Meal and a pencil. So that's perfect to go with it. And then the pen that I'm going to be using this week is a Sharpie S Gel again, and this is the white barrel. It's 0.7 gel ink. And then for fun, because there's orange in this, I thought I would use this little Z-Cling colour dot. It's 071 Peach Bliss. And then I'm going to lift out my Planner Monkey Code dates. We're going to do a new sheet because we're starting on the 1st. These are transparent. It's TBM 264 is the code if you're interested. They're transparent dates. I've been using them all year. And we will start by getting this top part and the bottom part all set up as usual and go from there.
She lights up the sky tonight.
actually think I'm going to use this weekend rather than this thinner one here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but sort of centralised between the 2 days. I just push it out. And then I actually think I'm going to put this little, oh look at that, vinyl here, and it fits perfectly, so that's my decision made, rather than putting it down the sidebar, because I have loads of full boxes and I just feel like doing something different. So let's take the backing off this and just line it down there. Has like a crystal kind of holographic effect over it, if you see. Very cute. Right, let's do our sidebar and also our weekly mind map, and I think I'm going to actually start with that. So I need the 1st to the 7th from these little dates. This is from Planner Monkey Co. And there are 4 weeks. I'm not going to mug it up this time, aren't there? Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, yes, 4 weeks. And then I'm going to lift this little snail mail full box and put it right here to represent the theme. Okay, right, so we're on week 27. So let's start with plenty of these little headers. So let's start with a header and then we'll find a fancy little full box. Do you know what? This is driving me bananas, having so many sheets. I'm just not in the mood. I'm going to get everything in here first and then use it to plan. Give me 2 seconds.
When I look at you, I see Georgia. I see sunshine headed my way. I feel love like no other, a baby and a mother, sweetest thing that I'll ever be. When I hold you close, I hold everything, every breath you take, a song I'll sing. I'll find love like no other, a child with my lover, sweetest thing that I've ever seen. Georgia ain't that far away, and I know it.
Much better. I just didn't want to deal with all the sheets today. I'm looking out the window and it isn't actually that great of weather. It was raining earlier. The week so far has been nice, but this Saturday, you'll be watching this on the Monday, but this Saturday before, I will be out, hopefully, doing my front garden, and my mum and dad's away on holiday and everything, and I decided I'm going to meet the week after with my younger sister and stuff still, but this week I said no, I'm staying at home and I'm going to get that front sorted. I mean, we'll not get it all done, but anyway. And it'll just be typical if it rains. Last year I left it, didn't do anything until I was off in August, and it rained the entire August. And then this year I'm thinking, no, don't wait to August, get it done now, and the week I plan to do it, it looks like it's going to rain, even though it was supposed to be nice all week. I don't know, let's not jinx it. Here's hoping that it was a nice day and I'll get some of it done, because it's bugging me, it looks awful. Anyway, sidebar, back to the point. So I was looking for a nice little box to write which week it's on, and I think I'm going to use this wee one with a flower. Why not? And then I think I'm going to, how many food boxes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's use one of these food boxes, why not? And I'll maybe do the wee snail like I did in my mind map. I mean, this is the larger version of it. And then let's put another one of these. This is just a release paper sticker book, by the way, for anyone who doesn't know. This one says keep it together. It came from Coffee Monsterz Co. And I actually bought sticker paper in A4 size, release paper I mean, in A4 size, cut it in half and hole punched it to make my little books here. I'll link below my sticker walkthrough, like sticker collection video. Oh, words are failing me, but I'll link it below where I store my stickers and how I store them, etc. and showing you the collection. Anyway, right, work. Let's find a little banner. Let's use this wee one with all the stationery in the background. Because there is no header that says work. And then put that there. And then I left this here. And I will cut the bottom. I have actually picked my planners for next year. Although in saying that, take that with a pinch of salt because I could still change my mind. But I think I know what I want to do for my main planner, what I want to do for my year in my life journal. And I haven't quite picked what I want to do for my socials journal. That's the only one. But again, like I said, it's just an initial, this is what I think. I could easily change my mind. Anyway, that covers work. And then I'm going to put another one of these. And then I have two this week, so I lifted both out. I think I'm going to use the beige type one rather than the pink. Right, so full boxes. I have 8 left, so I should be able to put another one here. Didn't I have 8 left, or am I? Honestly, my head's like a sieve. Yes, 8 left. So one will go here and the rest will get spread out. So let's do that.
Space in a single sail, white rocky island, you and I on the trail, just us and the waves, no need to behave in the harbor.
I actually don't think I'm going to put one in the Sunday because this takes up a lot of space. And if I get to the Sunday and I still haven't used this and I have a space, I could always add it in because it's blank in the middle, so I could write in it. But I think I might leave it and see. I could even use it for like writing, planning for the week or something, and just add this little plan for the week to the side. I don't know. Yeah, I'm leaving it for now. So let me write in my sidebar and then let's put in the very minimal plans that I have. Let's see, so we have a delivery at 9. So I'm going to put a little dot here. Let's see, what little box will I use? Let's do a blue dotty one. The colours in this kit are, what's the word? I was going to say unusual for me, but it's not so much that the colours themselves are usual, but there's more colours, I think, than I would normally do. So normally when I use a kit, like there's green and something else, or maybe there's like a blue and another colour, do you know what I mean? But there's quite a lot of different colours in this, but it's really nice. Anyway, right, so that's for the Tesco shop. And then nail appointment I'll use this, and it's at 12:30. So I'm just going to cover this time and write it in. We'll get a wee sticker for my main stuff for the side of that in a second. And then whenever I use a coffee Monsterz code kit, I've got into the habit of using these little ombre boxes with like a bin sticker over the top to mark leaving out the bins. So I'm going to do that again, why not? And then my usual 3 dots for what the bins are. That was pretty simple. And I have everything all organised in here and ready to go. I can't believe it's going to be the first week in July. So let me find a little sticker for each of these. So we need nails. We'll do it first. Let's do this little blue bottle from Fox and Pip. And then this is the chores section. So let's do a trash day bin here. That's what I mean, like layering that over. And then the little emoji pulling out the bin, I'll go here for taking them out. And then what's that? The Tesco delivery. Let's do the little bag. And then I actually need one here for update groceries. Not paying attention to my own pre-plans. Like, how can you pre-plan your week and still forget to put things in? Apparently I can. I'm going to use this here. Just put it right there. And let's get a little emoji and a onesie for fun in my work section. In fact, no, let's do the emoji holding an iced coffee and its phone, because it's my phone that I updated on. And we'll pop it there. Right, now to write everything in. And there we have it for another week. I'm looking forward to seeing this one all filled out. It's a lovely wee theme. Anyway, right, I hope you enjoyed that today. I enjoyed hanging out, lots of fun. I said I'm a bit freaked out that we're into the second half of the year. And speaking of the second half of the year, I will be doing a January to June flip through of this planner later in the week, so make sure you come back for that. And until then, take care. Bye.